Whoa, hola bitches. Let's get uncanny with a can of Coca-Cola. I am high as fuck. At the very last second, I decided to film. Everything is ready to go. It's been a fire ban for weeks and weeks. It's off now because it rained a lot. Well, a bit. Cheers, big ears, so we can have charcoal going. Fuck, that's good. All right, what we got going on here? Chicken thigh. 5 with bastard rub. Seven with just salt and pepper. Boom. We're doing Vortex thighs today. Vortex. Good enough. It's hot. My decision to film delayed a few minutes. God damn it. I burned too much charcoal. Oh well. It is what it is. When you make a plan, go with it. Alright. Don't stop and make a video. Oh, I forgot one thing. Give me a minute. All right. Good to go. Fucking Vortex is hot. Hot as fuck. Hot. Don't put your hand over the Vortex. It's hot as fuck. A lid. I need a lid. All right. Oh. Wait, there's more. Okay. I have a piece here. Pecan wood. There, we get some pecan smoke in there. That's what I got going on, bitches. It's been a while. Well, over a month since I've been able to barbecue, like with charcoal. Whoa, RTFO mofos. Drink up, buttercup. I wish I had a beer. Oh, I've got a Coke. Ah, I do have a beer for later, haha. Whoa. Ooh. It's been about 10 minutes. We're just gonna take a look, see what's going on in here. It's hot. Where's my glove? Cheers, big ears. Nice, nice. I'm not gonna spin them yet. Let's rotate this. Why? Who knows? Why not? To make you question it. Drink up, Buttercup. Seen about 10. Woo. Woo. It's been about 10 more minutes, bitches. Fuck yeah. Fuck, I'm high. What a beautiful day. Woo. Good enough. After that, it's over. After that, it goes on a rack. Woo. Woo. Ooh, forgot my glove. Don't be doing that. It's fucking hot. Boys, girls, others. Look at that, eh? Fuck yeah. Whoa, bitches. See, they look done. They're done. Done enough for me. Alright. Put your shit on a rack. Always. There are a few exceptions, but you know. Okay, I'll take these ones first. Ah, bitch. Don't reach over this like I am. Very hot. Whoa! Lightly tinted on rack. For 10 minutes. They look like that. Fuck yeah. Whoa. Hey? What do you think? I don't want to cut two of them open. I don't want to eat two at this moment. Most of these I'm not even going to eat like that. I'm going to tear them apart. Just wanted them for the meat. You. And you. I'll wait for you. I know what I will do. Ooh. Come here, you bitch wad. Just like that. Pecan. Chicken peed in a can. Pecan. Fucking tasty, boys and girls and others. Ah, come on. Bitchy. It's very good. All right. I'm saving that. Let's trade. One with bastard rub. Looks like that. Where did I put my paper towel? There, I put my paper towel. Tasty. Fuck, that's good. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfuckers. Well, that's about it for fucking today. Woo. Remember I said I was going to have a beer? I'm in a dilemma. Do I want a beer or do I want a tea? I have both. See? I have a beer. Root beer. A&W. Says beer. But I also have a tea. And I'm not going to drink one and then the other, because that'd be just too gross. You guys decide. Let me know in the comments. Oh, I can't wait that long. Tea. I'm going to have a tea. Fuck it. At this time, at this place, at this very fucking moment, it's time for a tea in honor of MMT, wherever he is. Today, our tea is a ting. Tea. Tea is for ting. It's an in ting man. Cheers, big ears. Go make some Vortex chicken. It's good for you. Drink up, buttercup. Oh, fuck, that's good. Alright, keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and fuck right off. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Look at this. This is fucking good. Oh, yeah. Fuck me.